today? We're back with another video. This time we're having dinner with everybody. Excuse me. My son is having a chicken salad with ranch. And I'm having cabbage soup. I don't know if anybody had cabbage soup before, but it has cabbage, carrots, peppers, celery, cilantro, chickens, mushroom, and a little bit of cauliflower rice on the side. Anybody didn't have it. I don't know if anybody had it before, but I heard it's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and taste that. I'm having cabbage soup because I heard it's good for weight loss, and I usually eat this at night sometimes, or seafood. So we're going to go ahead and eat. Let's get it.
Papa.
That's how yours tastes, Jorelli.
Good.
Good. Let's take the first bite.
They're so good.
Yeah? Look, you guys. Look at that. Chicken, celery, all that good stuff. Mushroom. It's really good. And chicken broth. I put non-fat chicken broth in here. Organic. It's pretty good. I'm really not a vegetable eater, but we're all gonna be today. See guys, I told you I was going to get a little better. I finally found out how we can do intro, and I did it. But for some reason, my phone is acting up. It's saying not enough storage, so I had to delete a couple things for me to even to get to record this video. So I'm really looking into buying a video recorder, which is a camera or whatever. So if y'all know anybody who's selling some, or know anywhere I can get some cheap ones, it'll be good. Here's the cauliflower rice. But if you're trying to lose weight, I heard this cabbage soup is pretty good. My dietitian said I can lose about 10 pounds a week if I stay consistent with this. Like you can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can pre-make it. Like you can make the whole big pot of it, a really big pot, and put it in individual containers, and then just add the chicken when you're about to warm it up. So the none of the stuff will get old in the fridge. So just to put that out there, and I will put the recipe down below if you're interested. And don't forget to leave us a comment. I'm really curious about what y'all want to see, what you want us to do. Like, we got 13 subscribers so far since yesterday. Big thumbs up to you guys. Woo! I appreciate y'all. Please share our video so everyone in the world can see it, so everyone in the world can subscribe. Sorry, I'm trying to chew at the same time I'm trying to talk. But we're trying to get this together, you guys. Please help us. I really appreciate everything. I'm trying to grab a spoon for y'all, so y'all can see the consistency of the soup. You see, that's the carrots and the mushroom and the cabbage.
And rice is good for you.
So how was your salad, Jerome? Good? You need a napkin? This is my son, Jerome. He wasn't with us earlier in the other video because he was in school. But he's going to enjoy our salad together. We're both trying to... I know he's young, but we're both trying to lose some weight. A little bit.
Yep. Mommy, I have to cut rice.
You want to taste some rice? No, go ahead.
Let's try it.
You like it? I thought he wasn't going to like it. Wow. Good. It's a little different because I'm Puerto Rican. I like my white rice, you know? But I had to lay back a little bit till I get this weight loss surgery. So, eat some more. I'm gonna dip it in the in the soup, see what it tastes. Tastes good in the rice.
Let me try.
Let me help you. You like it? Yeah, guys. So, I hope everybody enjoyed their day today. I'm sorry we're not talking as much. You know, in the background is really quiet. I'm drinking water on the side. Water.
Water.
So how was school today, Jerome?
But I learned about something.
What did you learn about?
Plant grows. Seeds grow into plants. And then, if you have a sunflower seed and it grows, and then it's gonna turn into food.
Oh yeah. Good. Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
This is really good, you guys. During the weekend, I'll be doing videos by myself because my kids be with their dad. So, this is the last video for this week. I'm doing Saturday and Sunday by myself. Well, Sunday morning by myself and then Sunday night with them.
Yep.
We're gonna eat. You want some? Let's give y'all some. And I'm telling y'all, this stuff right here is good. It's healthy. It might look nasty, but it's good. And I'm sorry that our videos are not that long. You know, because we really got nothing to talk about. I'm just trying to get to know y'all a little bit. You know, and y'all let us know what y'all want to watch, what y'all want us to talk about. And we'll talk about it. You know, we'll have full conversation. You know, and try and bring some people in, do some collabs with some of my friends, because they love videos too. I'm also doing some VA artists, painters, rappers, R&B singers. My sister's husband, he's also an R&B singer, so he'll be up here soon as I can get him in. Maybe sing a couple songs for y'all. You know. God, this food's good. Darling, can you bring me water? Sorry, you guys, I need the water. I ran out. Ran out. Devin didn't want to be on the camera today because he ate before we did. So.
What's supposed to go lunch?
Guys. Sorry, you guys got some cabbage stuck in my throat. So, what else you learned this school today, Jarrell?
That we can keep on plants.
Hey guys, well, I guess that's it. We had a little bit technical difficulties here, but I guess we're gonna end the video here because I really don't know what's going on with my phone right now. It's been recording us for the past 2 days, and all of a sudden in the middle of our recording it just shut off. So but like I said, little by little we'll find out how this phone works and how we can get more things, how we can get things going. And I'm really sorry about this, but the dinner was delicious. The cabbage soup was really good. I hope you get to try it, especially the ones who are trying to lose weight. The cabbage soup is really good. You can also look it up at Food Network. From Weight Watchers. My dietitian really commanded it for me. But you will have to eat it for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and only water. No bread, no regular white rice, no sodas, no candies, no fast food, no nothing for a whole week. Usually you can use, she said about 10 pounds. So I'll be eating this majority at night because it does make you use the restroom because it's cleansing the inside of your body. So prepare for that. And I'm also repeatedly, I'm really apologize for what's going on, and my son apologizes too, and I'm really sorry, but I hope y'all get to enjoy the video, and I'll see you tomorrow, and God bless. And please remember to subscribe and make sure you hit that bell to get notified when we drop another video, and make sure you hit a thumbs up for us and a comment below and what you want to see, what you want us to do, even try to have a conversation with you. We'll talk back. All right, you guys, have a good day and God bless.